Okay, today I'm working on a set of triple 300 V8s. And I'm going to show you guys how to take the prop off and drain and fill the gear case. This is a service you're going to want to do every 100 hours or at least once a year. First things first, you're going to take the prop off. These ones don't have any lock nuts. You can use an 1 1/16 inch socket. And then once we have the nyloc past the locking part of it, you can unscrew it. Set this off to the side. We're going to grab our 3 washers. We're going to set them off to the side. Pull our prop off. Set that right in front of the motor. And we're going to do that for all 3. So just go down the line and keep doing it. Okay, and how soft these prop nuts are, I'm definitely going to recommend replacing it. So what you're feeling when you're feeling for a soft prop nut is if it unspins by hand if you can unspin the plastic part by hand, it's a bad prop nut. That means the nyloc is starting to fail. And if the nyloc fails, and this nut was to come unspun, you'd lose your prop. Very expensive mistake to make. And neglecting that prop nut can cause it. Okay, with all the props taken off, we can take off the drain plugs to 10 mil. Start with the top and take out the bottom. We're gonna set them off to the side. And make sure you get the old drain plug seal off as well. Pull that guy out of there. I'm gonna do that for the other 2, excuse me. Then we can take a look at the gear oil and its condition. This stuff looks pretty good. Still got a nice green hue to it. There's a tad bit of milk to it, so we are going to pressure and vacuum test it. This one looks a little bit better, less milky. Still a little haze to it though, so I'm going to pressure and vacuum test this one as well. This one, on the other hand, though, looks perfect. No haze to it. Looks really good. Perfectly good used gear oil. Not burnt. Still even has some life left to it. So we're going to let these drain. It usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. With the lower unit all drained, we can put some fresh drain plug seals on. The drain plugs, we'll set them off to the side. We're going to need them in just a second. Always replace them. And when you fill the lower unit, you want to make sure you are as most level as possible, and we're pretty level. So Okay. Then we can take our special adapter, screw it in. Hook up our quick connect. And we're gonna let it fill from the bottom up. And a lot of you guys aren't gonna have a pressurized gear lube bottle, so you're gonna wanna use just the Mercury hand pump, and you let it overflow out, and then I'll let it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then I'll add more. Okay, so I'm gonna flow some more fluid in, and I'm gonna hand start this drain plug. And pull our quick connect off, and get this one loaded in and ready. We're gonna pull out our special adapter and then try to be quick about this. Start that one by hand. We'll grab my impact. Not too tight, just tight enough to seal it. Okay, we're gonna let the residual oil drip off, and then we'll put the props back on. Okay, now we're gonna put the prop back on. First things first, we're gonna grab a rag and just wipe up any gear oil that's up behind the bearing carrier, and then wipe off the drive shaft, or prop shaft, excuse me. Get some grease, grease it up. You always wanna make sure to grease your prop shafts. I've seen plenty of props get stuck, and it's never fun taking them off. Okay, so with a healthy amount of grease on, we'll take our prop, slide it on. Now with these hub kits, you have to take the hub, or take the prop on and off until it lines up. Then we can grab our new washers, prop nut. You can orient them in the right direction. The concave goes facing the concave up against the flat washer, against the big washer and prop nut. Start it by hand. Right there. I use a block of wood to hold the prop while I spin this prop nut tight. I like to get these really tight. Last thing you want is your customer's prop falling off because of you. And just like that, we have serviced all 3 lower units.